Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. Today I am going to speak on the topic saving money. Now we'll start with guide to start saving money. Folks ask me all the time, how can I start saving money? One thing many of them fail to realize though is that there is only one important thing they need to focus on. That one thing they need to work on is simply developing the habit of saving money. It doesn't matter how much or how little is being saved to become a successful saver. You just have to start and be consistent with it. Like you just have to start a small amount of saving. It is not that you have to start something with a big amount. It is just a small amount and start saving from today. In this article, we'll discuss about the topics how much money you should save, saving plans, saving vehicles, about the college costs, retirement costs, and many things. So, without further delay, I want to give some saving tips for beginners. Here's the scoop of how to save money. Start a saving plan. Getting rich is not a function of saving a lot of money. It is a result of savings regularly for a long period of time. Whoever are rich, they don't save lot of money. They save regularly so they are rich and for a long period of time. Save regularly. Do it now. Pay yourself first. Use simple and creative ways to save. Make a saving a part of every spending decision. Use a goal statement to plan. How much should you save? It's never too early to start saving. The more you invest and the earlier you start means your retirement saving will have that much more time and potential to grow. By investing early and staying invested, you may be able to take advantage of compound earnings. So start investing and saving as early as possible because your retirement saving will have that much time and potential to grow. So save as early as possible. So don't focus on the numbers, rather start off a small saving for retirement. Like start with a small amount, either a small percentage of your income or an amount of your income. Each month you should start saving. If you want to save certain percentage of your income, then minimum 20% you can save from your income. 10 to 15% will go towards your retirement account and 5 to 10% can go towards emergency fund, long-term saving or either paying any of your debt. So in this way you can bifurcate your 20% and save from your income. How to start saving? Create your plan. Firstly, decide what's important to you. Priorities. We all need them. Your saving should be the reflection of your values. Firstly, you should know that what is more important to you. Once you know this thing, you have to prioritize them accordingly to your desired time frame. For example, if you want to send your kid to college with the least amount of debt possible, then you should not buy for him an iPhone. You should not even get convinced. Either you should focus on achieving your goal of sending your kid to college. Second is divide and conquer. List your goals on paper and prioritize them, that which is most important and which is least important. Label each of them with a short term goal and a long term. Short term is within 6 months to 12 months and long term is more than 12 months. Once you have done, you should be able to see clearly what needs to go and what doesn't. You can buy and do anything you want, but remember it's likely you can't purchase and do everything. For example, let's say this was your of things you would like to do or you are going to pay off. For example, down payment for a rental property, a trip to Paris, retire at 45, an outdoor entertainment space. These are the things you want to pay off or you likely want to do it. So remember these things and accordingly plan it. Next, determine your strategy. To determine your strategy, you need to add up how much money you should save to achieve each of the goals you decide to keep on your list. Whichever the goals you have kept on your list, you should add up those money and you should determine the strategy accordingly. Once they know this number, it's all about making sure they treat their savings as a bill to themselves and to consistently set aside the reasonable amount of money each month that will help them to achieve their savings goal. So you should consider your goals as a bill and you should save the reasonable amount of money every month. That's easier said than it is done. However, if their income doesn't allow, if by chance your income doesn't allow you, then you need to think additional ways to make money. Eliminate some of your expenses. Think about the new strategy for achieving your goals or extend the time frame for your goals. Here are a few different saving tips for beginners. Start saving 10% for your emergency fund saving. Once you have reached your emergency fund saving goal, then divide up the 10% to your other saving goal. Use the 50-30-20 budget. You can use 50% towards essential, 30% towards death, and 20% towards all your saving, that is retirement, vacation, education. Save a specific dollar amount. This is no different than the percentage method. However, I realize that saving a percentage of each pay can intimidate some. If that's the case, decide on the dollar amount you can comfortably put into your savings each month. If it's $50, divide that $50 between all your saving goals. It doesn't matter how small you start, just start. So either you can start with the percentage method or you can start as the dollar amount. This is all about saving money. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and for more videos press the bell icon button. This is all about saving money. Thank you.